A running bow pry, also known as a bow jam, combines momentum with a stationary bow pry to carve an outside turn. It takes less effort because the momentum does the work for you. So here it is in detail. Get some momentum going and initiate the outside turn with a front sweep. Bring the paddle forward and slice the blade in towards the bow. The grip thumb should be pointing towards the stern as you slice. This will create a wedge with the non-power side of the blade that will be hit by the force of the momentum. Now tilt and hang on. Again, 3 points to remember. Take a few forward steering strokes, then initiate with a front sweep. Tilt the canoe as you slice forward and wedge the blade. Hold the wedge in place. When first learning, you may want a less dramatic turn by keeping the blade close to the surface, and center your head over your body to help stabilize the canoe. But if you want a more exciting ride, put your grip hand well out over the gunnel, choke your shaft hand up, and slice the paddle under the hull up front towards the bow. The deeper you reach, the more effectively the blade catches the water pressure from the canoe's momentum. You can accelerate the turn by pushing your onside knee down so the canoe tilts towards your paddling side. But watch it. Push too hard and you risk a tip. Try doing an outside dock landing for practice. To stop the pivot, level the canoe, slice the blade, and do a reverse J.